what is the current status of women around the world from the point of view of the United Nations?
Well, when UN Women was created, it was based on the recognition that around the world, gender equality and women's empowerment was an unfinished project. And it remains so. And 3.5 years since UN Women's creation, we have made progress because we have, as UN Women, worked to advocate globally for gender equality and women's empowerment. We have created more partnerships around the world to support women's economic empowerment, women's participation in peacemaking and peace building, for women to have more voice, participation and leadership in decision making, for women to have equal rights to decent work and equal wages and economic empowerment, land rights, inheritance rights. And we have worked with governments around the world to make sure that budgets and development plans are gender responsive, that they are focused and targeting and prioritizing the needs and interests and agency and using the agency of women and girls. Those efforts have meant progress, but there is much that remains to be done. And one other major focus of our effort has been ending violence against women. So in all of these areas, as you know well, women's poverty is a continuing concern. There is increased feminization of poverty. There is women are still part of the vulnerable workforce and informal sector rather than the formal workforce. Women still get between 10 to 30% less in wages as compared to men. Women still don't have land rights, and many societies, women still are deprived of productive assets they need to be economically empowered and have that autonomy. Women are also still in fact, it's a startling statistic that 1 in 3 women in most countries suffer from one form of violence or another in their lifetime. So this is still, as you said, many challenges despite progress. And we also very much lack the resources to address these challenges. So the underinvestment in the potential of women and girls is a continuing problem.